Hello everyone. In this video we will be learning about place value and face value. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Let's see a couple of examples. Example A, 542. In this we are going to find the face value of the digit 4. We know that face value of a digit is the digit itself. So what is the face value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 itself. Second example, 8611. So what is the face value of 1? The face value of 1 is 1 itself. Next we shall see place value. Place value is the value of a digit on the basis of its position in the number. The place value is given by the formula face value multiplied by the value of the place. We know that face value is the digit itself. Now what is value of the place? To know this, let's have a look at the place value chart. We always read the place value chart from right to left. So what's towards our right? The ones place. Ones denoted by O, tens denoted by T, hundreds denoted by H, thousands denoted by TH, 10,000s denoted by TTH, 100,000s denoted by HTH. This is not the end. The place value chart still continues with values such as million, 10 millions, 100 millions, etc. Now let's see some examples now. Example number 1, 756. In this number, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So we have to assign 3 places. We will assign the places based on the number of digits. If there are 2 digits, then we will assign 2 places. If there are 4 digits, then we will assign 4 places from the place value chart. Now, because we have 3 digits, we will be assigning 3 places. So what were the first 3 places in the place value chart? Towards our right, we had ones, then tens, and then hundreds. So we will assign ones, tens, and hundreds. Now to find the place value, we just have to multiply. The number is given here. What is on top of that number? O. O stands for ones. So multiply the number by that value. 6 into 1 will give 6. Next one, what is the number? 5. What is on top of the number? T. T stands for tens. So 5 multiplied by 10 will give 50. Then we have 7. What is on top of 7? H. H stands for 100. So 7 multiplied by 100 will give 700. Now let's see another example now. 5565. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. So how many places should we assign? 4 places. What are the first 4 places in the place value chart starting from the right? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. First we will assign that here. Now we are going to multiply. So for 5, what is on top of 5? Ones. So we multiply 5 by 1 to get 5. The number 6 must be multiplied by what number? To find out, see what is on top of 6? T. T stands for tens. So 6 into 10 equals 60. Next, 5. On top of this blue 5, what are we having? H. H stands for 100. 5 into 100 gives 500. On top of the purple 5, we have 1000. So we will be multiplying 5 and 1000. So 5 into 1000 gives 5000. Let's not confuse between place value and expanded form. In expanded form, we will see a plus sign in between the values. But in place value, we are just finding the values. One more concept. Let us find the face value of the green 5. The face value of 5 is 5. Similarly, the face value for the blue 5 is also 5. The face value for the purple 5 is also 5. So we can understand that the face value does not change. But the place value changes depending on the position or the place of the digit in the number. What is the place value for the green 5? It is 5. The place value for the blue 5 is 500. And the place value for the purple 5 is 5000. So depending on the position, the place value changes. Next example, 232. In the previous examples, we found the place values for all the digits. In this example, we are going to find the place value for only the underlined digit, which is 3. So how many digits are there? 3 digits. How many places should we assign? 3 places. What are the 3 places? Ones, tens and hundreds. Now to find the place value for 3, we multiply 3 by what is on top of 3? T. T stands for tens. So 3 into 10 will give 30. This is the place value for the digit 3 in the number 232. Hope you understood. Thank you.